Chinese companies, Chinese individuals have really contributed in a big way, and that shows the depth of this friendship, the strength of this friendship, which is unmatched, in fact. And I think, as the saying goes, that time and tide wait for none. Here is an opportunity to double down our efforts and connect with our Chinese business friends and business houses and create a very enabling environment to attract Chinese investments, export more to China, import more to Pakistan, have more FDIs. This is what is the need of the hour. And I think our visit to China will be very helpful to accomplish and achieve these targets in a big way. Tomorrow we leave for China, and I look forward to my visit to my great friendly country, China. I remember having visited China for the first time in 1982. You could hardly see a car on the roads. Those were the days when you could see in Beijing buses and bicycles. And today it's a different landscape. Millions and millions of cars running in Chinese cities. And China producing goods and exporting all over the world. 700 million people have come out of poverty line in China. These are great achievements, unheard of under the visionary leadership of President Xi, and I think we need to emulate Chinese model. We need to learn from them and implement here in Pakistan